I officially welcome you all to our event for today. It's really something else when someone tells you that they believe in you and reassures you na kaya mo. And that's what today is all about.
Feel very blessed being here today, together with my UD family, because this is a very important day for us. It's a day that we celebrate the refresh of Union Digital. Paano tayo makakatulong? That's always the main goal. When we build products, it's not about just growing our business, but more importantly, we build products because we want to open opportunities.
Kumbaga sa akin bilang sari-sari store owner, diskarte ko na lang po kung paano ko siya papaikutin at makapaging tindahan ko. Means matagal pa sana kasi 4 years na po ako sa sari-sari store.
The most important is today we will also unveil a movement, which we call Kaya Mo Movement, which is really about championing the resiliency of Filipinos.
Maraming gustong yumaman, pero iilan lang ang naniniwala na sila ay yaman. A lot of people want to become rich, but only a few people believe yung kaya ko, kaya mo. We believe that UD is very deliberately and intentionally designing and creating products that truly understand and empathize with our sari-sari store owners. Can you imagine a store of the future na talagang when they apply for loan, hindi na dadaan sa mahabang proseso, all this, tedious paperwork, because it's already on digital end-to-end. Can you imagine naman, digital payments from store owners, and also yung supply chain financing. Pag kailangan nila bumili sa mga distributor, sa mga supplier, maa-unlock yan ng digital bank, ng UD mismo.
Financial inclusion means to know, to understand, to do, and to benefit. Digital access is only one part of it. It's just the means. Pero what happens in the mind and in action, and again, in the intersection of knowing and doing, that's the essence of what we want to do with Union Digital.
With you